Hello everyone. Today we will discuss one important concept of your C++, that is variables in C++ or C++ variables. My name is Devasis Padi. Welcome to my class. Okay, so let us start. What is generally a variable? A variable is a name of a memory location. That means whenever you declare a variable, that variable takes some space in memory. Okay, so that variable is nothing but name of memory location. It is generally used to store the data. Okay, but variables are generally used to store the values, and this value can be changed and it can be reused many times. Okay, always the value of the variables change from time to time. It is a way to represent memory location through symbol so that it can be easily identified. Okay, it is a way to represent memory location. To represent memory location, we are using the variables. So how to declare the variable? To declare a variable, first write the type, then name of the variable or variable list. Let us consider I want to declare one integer variable, so that I can write int x. Int is the type, x is the name of the variable. Float y. Float is the type, y is the name of the variable. Char z. Char is the type and z is the name of the variable. Here x, y, z are the variables and int, float and char are data types. Okay. So whenever I declare the variable int x, in memory a space is reserved with the name x and the size of that space is 2 byte, because the size of integer is 2 byte. Whenever I am declaring float y, in memory a space is reserved with the name y and the size of the space is 4 byte. Okay. Then char z. So in memory a space is reserved with the name z and the size of the space is 1 byte. Okay. So variable is nothing but named memory location. We can also provide values while declaring a variable as given below. That means int x is equal to 5, b equal to 10. So what happens here? I am declaring two integer variables x and b, and in x 5 is stored and in b 10 is stored. Float f is equal to 30.8. That means in f 30.8 is stored. Char c is equal to a. So in c a is stored. Since this is a character, it is enclosed within single quote. Okay. So it is known as variable declaration, some initialization. I am declaring the variable and initialize one value with that variable. So it is known as declaration cum initialization. So there are some rules for defining the variable. First rule is a variable can have alphabets, digits and underscore. Okay. The name of the variable consists of alphabets, digits and underscore symbol. But always variable name starts with alphabet and underscore only, cannot start with digit. A variable name always starts with alphabet or underscore, but name of the variable cannot start with digit. Third rule is no white space is allowed within the variable name. whenever I am writing the name of the variable and variable name consists of 2 to 3 letters, then no space is allowed between the variables. A variable name must not be any reserved word or keyword. Example, character, float, etc. That means whenever I give some name to the variable, that variable name cannot be a keyword. That means integer, float, int, float, char. These are not the name of one variable. Okay? Variable name cannot be a reserved word. Int a, this is valid because it consists of alphabet. Int underscore ab is also valid because first letter can be underscore. Int a30, this is also valid because consists of alphabets and digits. These are the invalid. Int 4, this is invalid. Why? Because cannot start with digit. Int a4, that is valid, but int 4 is not valid. Int xy, okay, space is there, so not valid. Int double, this is a keyword, okay, keyword cannot be a variable name, so this is invalid. Okay, so in simple, variable means name of the memory location whose value always change from time to time. Okay, thank you.